Hi, I'm Masekwa Myers, and in this clip, we will talk about the principle of Kwanzaa. The first principle on the first day of Kwanzaa is Umoja. You find something, you keep it handy, so you can light that first candle each day. Umoja. And we ask all that are in attendance to repeat after us. It's like a call and response. And when I light and say Umoja, you say back to me Umoja, I say unity, which is the English translation of the word Umoja, unity. And what we ask is that everyone who is in attendance repeat after the lighter of the candle, the principle in Swahili and the principle in English. So it will go, Umoja, Umoja, unity, unity. And the meaning of that principle is to strive for and maintain togetherness in our family, community, nation, and race. Umoja, unity. In our next clip, we will talk about the second day of Kwanzaa and the second principle of Kwanzaa.